Welcome to our video on rice hulls. In this video, we'll be discussing what rice hulls are, what they're used for in horticulture, and the pros and cons of using them. 1. What are rice hulls? Rice hulls are the protective outer layer of the rice grain. They're a byproduct of rice milling, and are often considered a waste material. However, they have many uses, including in horticulture. 2. Uses of rice hulls in horticulture. Rice hulls have several uses in horticulture. One of the most common uses is as a soil amendment. They can improve soil drainage, aeration, and water retention, which can be especially beneficial for plants that require well-draining soil. Additionally, rice hulls can be used as a mulch to help suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. 3. Pros and cons of using rice hulls in horticulture. There are several pros to using rice hulls in horticulture. They're a renewable resource, which makes them an environmentally friendly choice. They're also lightweight, which makes them easy to handle and apply. Additionally, they can improve soil health and plant growth. However, there are also some cons to using rice hulls. One of the main issues is that they can break down quickly, which means they need to be reapplied frequently. Additionally, rice hulls can attract pests, such as termites, which can be a problem in some areas. In conclusion, rice hulls are a versatile and useful material for horticulture. They can improve soil health, drainage, and aeration, and can be used as a mulch to suppress weeds and retain soil moisture. However, they do have some drawbacks, such as the need for frequent reapplication and the potential to attract pests. Thanks for watching.